नमस्कार मु तपस्विनी। जीविका बिना जेमिति जीवन असंभव, शिक्षा बिना सेमिति भविष्यत गठन मध्य असंभव। अर्थात जीविका और शिक्षा उभय जीवन गठनर प्रमुख अंग। मात्र कोरोना महामारी जकु शिक्षार गाड़ी बहुत प्रभावित होइछि। तामाने नुहे जे स्थिति एमिति बलवत्तर रहिबो। तेणु पिलांको भविष्यत गठनर सही गाड़ीर सारथी आज जी ओडिशा साजिछि। लाइव क्लास जरिया राज्यर अगणित विद्यार्थी को घरे बसी पढ़िबार सुजोग देइछि। तेबे आमर ए प्रयास एमिति जारी रहिबो। प्रतिदिन दक्ष शिक्षक माने पिलांको क्लास नेबे एवं तांको प्रश्नर उत्तर रखिबे। तेबे आसंतु आरंभ करिबा आजरो लाइव क्लास। आजरो विषय रहिछि दशम श्रेणीर इंग्राजी ग्रामर बा व्याकरण एवं क्लास नेबे नकुल कुमार मल्लिक।
Hello students, hearty welcome to G Odisha live classes. Here I am Nakul Kumar Malik, assistant teacher Patrapada Hoanpur Government High School. But literally I am from my native village Murgonani, goes under Chandbali in Bhadrak. Okay friends, today we will go through the topic directly without any introductory question. The today's topic, that is the passive. Okay, so it is because we have to discuss a lot of things in passive, so I don't want to consume time. Secondly, you have already read passive structure in class 9 in vocabulary and language study. That is a topic that is priceless gift. Okay, so introduction is not needed at all. So before learning passive structure, and we will go through a poem. Okay, so I have composed a poem taking all the structure of the passive into account, and side by side I have also highlighted the glory of our motherland and also highlighted the prides of our nation. Okay, so please go through the poem sincerely and try your best to get idea about the passive structure and focus on especially verb, because verb is passivized. Okay, so first line of the poem is active, second line that is passive. There are number of structures, so I am just reciting. Okay, let's enjoy. The world knows our strength is known. India grows a superpower is grown. Ramdev Baba taught yoga, yoga was taught. The world learned Swachh Bharat was launched. We can make fighter jets can be made. India must lead the world must be led. We are planning Atmanirbhar is being planned. We are banning Chinese apps are being banned. Buddha was teaching, Ashoka was being taught. The world was learning peace was being learnt. The truth has fought, battle has been fought. Bapuji has brought freedom has been brought. Netaji had fed courage had been fed. Swamiji had spread knowledge had been spread. Come to another structure. Why did Dhoni leave cricket? Why was cricket left? Can Virat keep victory? Can victory be kept? Come to another structure. Wash your hands, let your hands be washed. Mask your face, let your face be masked. Okay, so similarly, I have also composed 10 structures. I recited only just 3 structures, so I don't want to consume time. I will explain all the structures systematically. I try our best to understand. पिलेमाने अगर खाता पेन बाहर करो, please my sincere request, 100% attention. जदि एमती फिजिकली प्रेजेंट मेंटली एब्सेंट ताले आउटपुट जीरो, किछि लाभ होबनी। मोर घंटाटे जीव किछि मूल्य रहइबनी, तमे घंटा लॉस करिवो टीवी सामने बसी किछि लाभ होबनी। ओके, माय सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट, sincerely go through the topic. If there is any doubt, you will put me any question. Okay, so now you know there are 2 changes in grammar. Number 1, that is voice change. Number 2, that is narration change. Narration change, that is in Odia, that is ukti parivartana, pratyakshya ukti. Another one that is poroksha ukti. Pratyakshya ukti, that is direct, another one poroksha ukti, that is indirect speech. Okay, so that is called narration change. And in case of voice change, that is vachya parivartana, that is kartruvachya, karmavachya. In Odia there is another bhavavachya, let it. But in English there are active voice and passive voice, that is voice change. So there are two changes, voice change and narration change. Narration change depends on sentence, simple, compound, complex, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative, etc. But that is passive, depends on tense. Okay, so there are 10 structures, especially for you there are 10 structures. So now we'll discuss one by one. Come to board. First, here you see, that is the passive. Today's topic, that is the passive. Passive in tense. How? Passive is done in tense. Okay, so in present simple, past simple, future simple, that is modal simple. Present progressive, past progressive, but in future progressive, passive cannot be done. And present perfect and past perfect, future perfect. So there are 8 sub points according to tense. Okay, so how passive is done in tense? You see, so I have made it in shortcut method, that is 5 rules. If you will remember these 5 rules, you can do passive easily according to tense. But there are other structures, but according to tense you can do easily. And in most cases children fail to do passive according to tense. Here, that's why I have written only 5 rules. It is very easy for understanding and also remember. Okay, so first rule, that is active, second one, that is passive. If verb is V1, that means a present simple. In active, what will be in passive? That is, am, are plus V3. Right? Is written or am written. If there is subject third person singular number, is written. If there is I, that is am written or am eaten. Yes, am, that is invited. But here, that is right, is written, wrote, this one that is was written, because wrote that is V2, past simple. If there is a past simple, then was or were, be verb, that is past verb, was or were plus V3. Third one, that is present simple, past simple, here modal simple. Modal, do you know modal? Can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare. There are 13 modals: can, could, shall, should, will, would, used to, ought to, must, need, dare. Okay, so can write here means can be written. If there is a future simple or a modal simple, be is used here. If there is a progressive, is writing, here clue, that is being, is being written. And fifth rule, that is has written, means present perfect, past perfect, whatever it may be, or future perfect or modal perfect. If there is a perfect and been is used in passive. Okay, so there are 5 rules. Try your best to remember and write down. Okay, so now we'll go through examples. Okay, the world knows our strength. Okay, this one is active. Now you see, this one is a subject, this one is verb, this one is object. That is SVO. This one in active form. You see, if you want to change into passive, so object becomes subject. This is the common rule, very common rule. The object in active becomes subject in passive. Okay, so what is the object here? This one is object, our strength. Okay, our strength. Okay, now you see, I have already told you, focus on verb, because verb is passivized. Verb ta passive kara jaye, tumara focus verb upar rahba katha. So this one is verb, knows. Now tell me, this question goes under which rule? Out of 5 rule, which rule? This one is V1. V1, know, knew, known, flow, flew, flown. Okay, so know, knew, known, V1, V2, V3 or present, past or past participle. Okay. So the world knows our strength. This one is verb. So V1. Now how can we make it passive? Yes. First object becomes subject here. Our strength. This verb goes under which rule? Rule 1. That is right. What is passive? Right change to is written. Similarly, our strength, that is third person singular number. If the subject is third person singular number, it carries the verb with yes. That means is. So our strength is. So there are three options: is, am, are. So which one is most appropriate here? Is appropriate. So our strength is. So what is the verb here? No. Main verb becomes third verb. So that is know, knew, known. Okay. So our strength is known. Okay. By the world, that is optional. You may add or may not add. But there are some sentence which agent is essential. I will tell you later on. But here it is not necessary. So our strength is known. Come to another example. Okay. The world knows our strength. Our strength is known. India grows superpower. Asta India superpowers बढ़ौची. Okay, India grows superpower. Here this one is subject, this one is object, this one is verb. Okay, in passive object becomes subject. Here superpower. Now tell me, this verb goes under which rule? Yes, V1. Okay, so V1. So superpower is a third person singular number. Superpower is grow, grew, grown. Okay, grown. Main verb becomes third form. You see, write is written, wrote was written, can be written, is writing is being written, has written has been written. You see, main verb is in third form. Okay, that is common rule. So grow, grew, grown. Okay, the world knows our strength is known. India grows superpower is grown. Now it is clear? Okay. Come to another example. So example is better than precept. Okay. So go through the examples thoroughly and you can understand it easily. Okay. Now you see second one. Ramdev Baba taught yoga. Okay. This one is active. Can we change into passive? Yes. So this one is subject, this one is verb, this one is object, SVO. According to tense, SVO is required to make passive. Okay. So Ramdev Baba taught yoga. Now you see, object becomes subject, this one is verb. Object becomes subject, yoga. Verb taught. Now tell me, this example goes under which rule? This rule. Because this one is V2. Write, wrote, written, eat, ate, eaten. Catch, cut, cut, fight, fought, sing, sang, sung, ring, rang, rung. Okay, in this way we will remember rhythmically. Okay, here you see Ramdev Baba taught yoga. Yoga was taught by Ramdev Baba. Okay, so that is not necessary, not compulsory. That is optional. You may write by Ramdev Baba or not. So another example. The world learned Swachh Bharat. Now tell me, what will be passive? This one is the wall, verb that is a learned, Swachh Bharat that is object. So object becomes subject, that is Swachh Bharat. Yes, this one will be passivized. Here a learnt, that is V2. Learn, learnt, learnt, or learn, learned. Learnt, that is V2. Learned, that is V3. Or learned, it can be changed to learned. Yes, that is accepted. Learn, learned, or learn, learnt. Okay, so this one V2. So V2 means which rule? Which rule? That is rule 2. Okay, so wrote was written. So learnt. Yes, Swachh Bharat, that third person singular number. So what will be B verb here? Was? Yes. Swachh Bharat was learned. Okay. So Ramdev Baba taught yoga. Yoga was taught. The world learned Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat was learned. Okay. Come to another example. So you see, in present simple, is am plus V3. In past simple, was were plus V3. Come to another example, that is, okay, we can make fighter jets. We can make fighter jets, okay, and this one is in active. Now change to passive. We, this one is verb, this one is subject, we, and can make, that is verb, fighter, that is object. So object becomes subject. Yes, fighter jet or fighter jets. Now you see which, yes, this example goes in which rule? Yes, rule 3. Okay, can means modal. Can, could, shall, should, will, would. Okay, must, dare, need, used to, ought to. So these are modal. You can write modal here. Yes, so fighter jets can. So can here. Yes, fighter jets can. You see, modal plus be. This one is important. That is modal simple re कौन यूज होबो? be यूज होबो. Very important. Progressive रे कौन यूज होबो? being यूज होबो. Perfect रे कौन यूज होबो? been. ये तीन important. Okay. So look at here. We can make fighter jets. Fighter jets can be made. Okay. That is a make. We can make fighter jets. Make becomes third form made. Make, made, made. Feed, fed, fed. Okay. So fighter jets can be made. Another one. Okay, we can make fighter jets. Fighter jets can be made. Another activity. India must. India must lead the world. India must lead the world. India, that is subject. Must lead, that is verb. The world is object. So here in passive, object becomes subject, the world. Okay. The world must lead. Modal. Here this one is modal, must. So world must be main verb, that is lead. Lead, led, led. That is a lead. Okay. The world must be led. Now it is clear. That is a future simple or modal simple. We can make fighter jets. Fighter jets can be made. India must lead the world. The world must be led. Come to another example. Here we discuss present simple, past simple and modal simple. That is another example. Yes, we are planning Atmanirbhar. We are planning Atmanirbhar. This one active. Subject, verb here. This one is object. Yes, object becomes subject here. Atmanirbhar. This one is in present progressive. Whatever it may be. Progressive, present progressive or past progressive. Okay. So Atmanirbhar is. If there was, so Atmanirbhar was. So here we are. So Atmanirbhar is or am or as? Is. So Atmanirbhar is. Since there is a progressive, being is used. Okay. Atmanirbhar is being planned. Planned. Okay. So we are planning Atmanirbhar. Atmanirbhar is being planned. Another one. We are banning. What app ban hoji? We are banning Chinese apps. Chinese apps. This one subject, this one verb, and this one is object. So object becomes the subject here. The Chinese apps are being. This one is important here. Okay. Chinese apps are being banned. Okay, we are planning Atmanirbhar is being planned. We are banning Chinese jobs are being banned. Okay, here that is present progressive or past progressive or only present progressive or past progressive. In future progressive or modal progressive, passive cannot be done. Okay, come to another example. So another example, that is Buddha was teaching Ashok. Buddha was teaching Ashok. This one is active. Passive. This one is subject. This one is, yes, this one is verb. Now tell me, this one is past progressive. So what will be the answer here? Ashok was, this one progressive. In progressive there is a being. Ashok was being, teach, taught, fight, fought. So Ashok was being taught. Buddha was teaching Ashok. Ashok was being taught. Another example, the world was learning peace. Buddha कौन spread करते ले? Peace. The world was, this one subject, this one verb. This is not important. Important is our verb. Okay. So the world was learning peace. And what will be passive? The peace. Yes. Peace was being learned. Okay. Learned. So the world was learning peace. Peace was being learned. Buddha was teaching Ashok. Ashok was being taught. The world was learning peace. Peace was being learned. Okay. Now, present simple, past simple, future simple or modal simple. Another we discussed, that is present progressive, and this one, that is past progressive. Come to another structure, that is truth has fought battle. Okay, this one in active. And what will in passive? Truth, that is subject. Was fought, that is verb. This one is object. So battle, yes, that is perfect. Perfect means been, should be used here. Yes, been. And what will be the answer? Battle has or have? Has, because this one is third person singular number. Battle has and been. Battle has been fought. Fight, fought, catch, caught. Battle has been fought. Okay, another example. Bapuji. Okay, Bapuji has brought freedom. Okay, what will be passive? Freedom has been brought. Okay, similarly in past perfect also, that is Netaji had fed courage. Courage had been fed. Similarly, that is Swamiji had spread knowledge. Knowledge had been spread. Whatever it may be, present perfect or past perfect, been is used. Okay. So now we discussed about passive in tense. Now it is time for a short break and enjoy just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then never be departed from the topic. Okay. Okay friends, let's start again. पहले आमर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी बर्तमान देश को संबोधित करुँचे टिके सेटा रिपीट दब देखिब कंटिन्यू कर. ओके, सो नाउ सी द पैसिव. We have already discussed that is a passive in tense. This one passive in tense, and here that is passive in interrogative. We have already discussed about passive in tense. Next, that is passive in interrogative. Come to example here. Why did, this one is very important. Okay, why did Dhoni leave cricket? Why did Dhoni leave cricket? Question mark is here. Okay, this one active. How can we change this sentence to passive? In interrogative, you have to follow 2 to 3 rules. Okay, so first of all, you see, why did Dhoni leave cricket? This one is interrogative. Our first kamala, we have to change the sentence into declarative. What declarative? Dhoni. What will be the declarative here? Dhoni left cricket. Okay. Now tell me, Dhoni left cricket means which rule it follows? Yes, V2. This one is V2. Okay, cricket was left. Okay. Now this one is a declarative. Amar abashak kon na interrogative. So we have to make it interrogative. Interrogative kon habo? Was cricket. Auxiliary आगे पड़े असली interrogative गला. Was, that is cricket left. Okay. Question mark here. Why को एड को नहीं ऐसा. Okay. Why was cricket left? This one is active and this one is passive. Why did Dhoni leave cricket? Why was cricket left? Okay. By Dhoni. By Dhoni. It is not necessary. Okay. So why did Dhoni leave cricket? I mean, 3 step रे जिबा. First of all, we have to change the sentence to declarative. Then we have to make it passive. Passive है साला परे ताको interrogative करिबा. Interrogative है साला परे WH word जहाँ थिबो आसीबो. Okay. So why did Dhoni leave cricket? आको declarative कले why रोइला. एतरा किछि मुंड गालिबार नहीं. Next one, did Dhoni leave cricket? आको declarative करे Dhoni left cricket. Did अच्छे इट पळेबो past tense है जो V2. So Dhoni left cricket. This one is declarative. And we can make now we got a SVO subject verb object that can be easily changed into passive. So cricket was left because this one is V2. So cricket was left. तापरे interrogative पड़े असला WH word पड़े असला why was cricket left. Okay. Come to another example. Active. Can Virat keep victory? Keep victory. Can Virat keep victory? Yes. There is no WH word. एथरा आउट के इजी है यला एटा. Can Virat keep victory? आकु डिक्लेरेटिव करिवा. डिक्लेरेटिव कले कहन हबो Virat can keep victory. Okay. एटा को एबे पासिव करि परिवा. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट. Here this one is verb. Can keep. That means rule 3. Okay. Can make or can write. That is rule 3. Can keep means modal simple. Modal simple thre kon use hobo be. Okay, this one is important. Okay, so victory can be kept. Victory can be kept. This one is yes. Victory can Virat can keep victory. Victory can be kept. आको interrogative कर दो. आमर दरकार interrogative. So can victory be kept? In auxiliary आगो पड़े आसीबो. असला परे that became yes interrogative. So now it is clear. This one is passive. So how in interrogative passive can be made? Here why did Dhoni leave cricket? Why was cricket left? Can Virat keep victory? Can victory be kept? Okay. So this is in interrogative. Passive in interrogative. मनला listen again. First जोटा interrogative थिबो WH word छाड़ी दबा. ये interrogative that will be changed to declarative. तो declarative करिवा. से खातार करिवा ने rough रे सेटा करिवा declarative कले. Declarative कला परे it will be very easy for us because we got a SVO subject verb object. So there is no problem for us to make it passive. So cricket was left. So Dhoni left cricket. Cricket was left. Verb देखिवा कौन अछि V2. V2 अछि माने was or were plus V3. Cricket there third person singular number. Verb रे S बसियो was. So cricket was left. ताकू पुणी interrogative करिया was cricket left. एटा कर साला परे WH word ने असले why was cricket left. That became passive. Okay. Another example. Can Virat keep victory? This one is interrogative. So in this way, similarly in the first step, we can easily change into passive. Okay. Come to another example. We covered that is passive in tense and passive in interrogative. Another structure that is passive in imperative. You see, passive in imperative. This one active. Okay. So wash your hands. Wash your hands. This one, wash your hands, imperative. Command, order, advice, request, suggestion. Every sentence is imperative way. So wash your hands. Okay. And what is the rule here? Let plus object plus be plus V3. This one is verb. This one is object. So let, then object lagano. Yes, your hands. Let your hands be. Let your hands be. That is V3. Was, washed, washed. Passive sobbale main verb becomes here. Yes, V3. That is let your hands be washed. Another one that is active. Mask your face. Mask. Mask, that is noun. But here that is verb. Mask your face. Okay. So let, object here. Let your face be masked. Okay. Wash your hands. Let your hands be washed. Mask your face. Let your face be masked. Okay. So another example you see, that is break corona chains. Break corona chain. Let corona chain be broken. Take hot kada. Let hot kada be taken. Okay. So wash your hands. Let your hand be washed. Mask your face. Let your face be masked. Break corona chain. Let corona chain be broken. Take hot kada. Let hot kada be taken. That is the awareness. Okay, about coronavirus. So now it's clear. Very important thing you see. In your book, that is page 899, it is written imperative verb cannot normally be passivized. I think it is a wrong concept for the children. Okay. So you see, so let the door, open the door, let the door be opened. It is not accepted. It is written, but actually it is a wrong concept. In my point of view, and I have gone number of books here. Do you know that is Rain and Martin? Here this one is Jesse Nesfield. If you go through the book Nesfield, that is clearly written, that is shut the door, let the door be shut. Okay? It is clearly mentioned. And another one that is imperative, give the order, let the order be given. So don't be confused. So imperative sentence can be passivized. Okay. So you wash your hands, let your hands be washed. Okay. Come to another example. Okay. That is imperative finish. Now another structure that is passive in non-finite. You see, this one is very important. Okay. I stopped him smoking. I stopped him smoking. Okay. Now you see, I stopped him smoking. SVO. Okay. This one is finite verb. And this one is non-finite. I have already told you non-finite. There is where 2 plus infinitive, ing. That is VPP. This one is ing. Okay. If there is ing, what will be the answer? SVO. ଆମେ ଏତିକିରେ ପାସିଭ୍ କରିପାରିବା SVO subject verb object. Him become he V2, that is he was stopped. He was stopped smoking. He was stopped smoking. There will be no change in ing form. Okay, if the non-finite is in ing form, there will be no change. This is important. In case another one, that is he made me laugh. Okay, he made me laugh. This one is finite verb. This one is non-finite, that is bear. Okay, this one I am, this one bear. If there is a bear infinitive, ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ passive ରେ 2 plus infinitive ହେଇଯାଏ. For example, he made me laugh. What will the answer? I was made. Because made, that is V2. V2 ଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ was? I was. Yes, I was. He made me laugh. I was made to laugh. You see, this is the difference here. बेयर थिले टू लागिबो आईएनजी थिले देयर विल बी नो चेंज. Another example, and there is a house itself passivized. There is a house to let. ये वाले sentence थिले कौन हबो ना there is a house एटा रहइबो it has already been passivized. That there is a house to let means to be let, to play to be played, to eat to be eaten, to write to be written. Okay, and this is about non-finite. Yes. And come to another structure here, so passive need or required. Okay, my bike needs that is repairing. My bike needs repairing. Okay, so this one is inactive. How can change into passive here? My bike needs repairing. Yes, itself object. My bike. If there is a need or a require, my bike needs to be repaired. Okay, my dress requires washing. My dress requires to be washed. My bike needs repairing. My bike needs to be repaired. Okay, so this is another structure. Come to another structure, that is have or get. Have or get here. You see, I had or got my bike dash repair thibo. What is in passive form? I got or I had my bike repaired. R-E-D. Okay. You see, I went to the cobbler. He mended my shoes. I got my shoes dash. V3 roibo. Mended. I went to the barber. He cut my hair. I got my hair cut. Okay. I went to the mechanic. He repaired my bike. I got my bike repaired. In this way, if there is get or have, if there is got or had, get here got, and have there is had. So there is no problem. So if there is get or have, and it is the verb becomes in third form. Okay. So I went to the, that is mechanic, he repaired my bike. In this way, so question may come in this way, okay. So this one is clear, passive in have or get. Another one is going to. I am going to teach you English grammar. I am going to teach you English grammar. Here this one is a subject. I am going to teach this one is verb. Okay. You that is object, English grammar is object. So this one is a ditransitive because there are two objects here. If there is object, that is a transitive verb. If there is no object, that is intransitive. And if there are two objects, that is a ditransitive. Here you is transitive object, this one is object. सबुठु better पिला मन रखिबो ए ऑब्जेक्ट ता नबो केम देखो. Here I am going to teach you. So you are going to teach. I have already told you to eat to be eaten, to write to be written. Similarly, you are going to be taught. You are going to be taught English grammar. Okay. So if you will take English grammar, that will be correct. I will write English grammar is going to be taught to you. That is important. To you no lakle bhul hejibo. Sometimes it puts in a dilemma that is you or to you. So it is very easy, and you have to take first object into account. Then you will write you are going to be taught English grammar. Jaha achi se sethere kichhi problem nahi. Okay, come to another structure, that is reporting. This one is very, very important. Try your best to understand. You see, people say that the earth, people say that ghost is omnipresent. चारियाडे भूत अच्छे. Okay, people say that ghost is omnipresent. You see, people say, we can change this one to passive. कौन हम सेटा? It is said. Okay? It is said that ghost is omnipresent. This one is active, this one is passive. In another structure you see, जदि एमिति थिबो that it is said that man is mortal. Man is mortal. It is said that man is mortal. What will be passive? Here you see. It is said that man is mortal means this one is object. Man is said to be mortal. Because is here. Is ଅଛି ମାନେ ଏଠି be verb ଏଟା ସେଥିପାଇଁ what will the answer here? Man is said to be mortal. Okay. Now another one. Okay. So, okay friends, there is a call. Okay. Now tell me what's your question?
Passive in discussing the full.
Yes, passive in
Going to.
going to. Okay, okay.
Again.
Passive in going to. Our problem is passive in going to. Yes, I am going to. Okay, here you see, I am going to play football. This one is subject, this one is verb. I am going to play football. So what is object here? Football. Football आगे आसबो. Football I पाखरे आम बसची. Football पाखरे कौन हबो? Football. Yes, you see, football is going to. एथरे going to रहबो. Football is going. तापरे to plus infinitive. आउ गोटे verb अछि एठी. मु कहिछि या पूर्वरु that is to play, to be played, to eat, to be eaten, to write, to be written. Here you see that is non-finite format. Yes, football is. ए पर्यंत लिखि देला. To play means to be played. To be played. I am going to write English. English is going to be written. I am going to play football. Football is going to be played. A verb ta passive hela object asi kintu non-finite ba out अछि na. So there is a double passive. Okay. Now it is clear. Come to another example here. That is passive going to passive in reporting. Another one here. If there is active, it is believed that. It is believed that he was innocent. He was innocent. Why did I write here? You see, this one there is little bit difference. This one is in present simple. This one is in past simple. Okay. So what will be the answer here? It is believed that he. It is believed that. Here you see. It is said that man is mortal. It is believed that, what will the passive here? He is, okay. He is believed to have been innocent. This one is very important, you remember. Okay. So it is believed that he was innocent. What will be passive? He is believed to have been innocent. Jodi eti thanta, it was believed that he was innocent. Tala ame lekhi thante, he was believed to have been innocent. Okay. So now come to another structure. That is passive. It passive. It passive. Okay. Yes. There is a caller. Yes. Now, what's your question, please?
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Sir, Angul ro कहतली कौशिक साहू.
Anugul. Okay, okay. Now, tell me what's your question, Kaushik?
Sir, passive in going to da बुझेलानी.
I have already explained. Passive in going to, I have already explained. Yes, I am going to teach English. I am going to teach English. This one is a subject, this one is verb. This one is also verb. एथरे आमे आगे passive करिबा. English is going to teach means to be taught. Okay. So I explained the going to format twice. Okay. Now come to another one, that is time passive. Okay. Time passive. It passive I discussed. That is, it is said that, it is believed that. Okay. Time passive. It is time to ring the bell. It is time to ring the bell. Okay. So what will be the passive form? This one is active. What will be passive? It is time to ring the bell. It is time. This one important one. Here you write down. It is time for the bell to be wrong. You see, wrong. Ring, rang, wrong. Sing, sang, song. Verb becomes, yes, verb becomes form 3 or third form. That is ring, rang, wrong. Okay. So, now, there are some guessing passive. Okay. Here you see, how can you guess the road dash repair now. Okay, now tell me what will be answer here in passive, because it is in passive form. The workers are repairing road, but here the road dash repair now. In which tense? Now is here. This is the clue. Since now is here, the sentence lies in present progressive. Okay. So what will be the answer in present progressive? The road repair now. The road is being repaired. Progressive achi? Yes, the road is being repaired. Okay. And in this way we will guess from the sentence, a thief dash arrest yesterday. Yesterday, this means that is past simple. A thief was arrested yesterday. From the clue you can easily guess in which sentence which tense the sentence lies, and you will do passive accordingly. Okay. Another one, there are some restrictions. Number one restriction, there is a corresponding passive. जोटा corresponding passive है पर तो सेटा हबो नहीं. For example, Virat married Anushka. Virat married Anushka. Anushka also married Virat. एथिरे जे Virat married Anushka V2 अछि. Anushka was married by Virat. That cannot be changed to passive. जदि आउ गोटे कौन ना, if there are reciprocal, that is a pronoun. जदि reciprocal pronoun थियो, for example, each other, one another, Pakistan and China helped each other in corona crisis. Okay. So you see, Pakistan and China helped each other. आमे जदि एटा this one is subject, this one verb, this one object. जदि object को आगे आनिबा, each other was helped by China and Pakistan, that cannot be done. एटा reciprocal pronoun. एक क्षेत्र रे passive हुए नहीं. Another restriction. You see, there is if there is a non-finite, if there is a intransitive verb, I am playing. I am playing now. There is no object, so that cannot be changed to passive. Okay. So now it is time. We'll meet again. If there is any doubt, make a note. And I have already told you, we'll arrange a specific class for doubt clearing. So now it is time to stop on.